Good morning, children. Let's begin with today's thought. You can't always get what you want. This proverb describes that don't complain if you don't get what you want. Now, children, today we will start a new lesson number 27, a special way to add by carrying over. Children, in this lesson, we will see how to add the numbers by carrying over. Now see, here are some examples from maths textbook page number 48. Use sticks or beads or dots to carry out the following additions and write the answers. Now here you can use sticks or beads or you can use your fingers to carry out these additions. First is 9 plus 6. Okay. As per our method, we keep 6 in our mind, take out 9 fingers and start forward counting. 9 plus 6, we get 15. Then second is 6 plus 5. 6 plus 5, we keep 5 in our mind, take out 6 fingers and start forward counting after 5. So 6 plus 5, answer will be 11. In this way, you have to carry out all these addition and you have to write the answers, and after solving all these, you can check your answers from here. Now see here, carry out the following additions. Now here are addition of 2-digit number. We already studied this kind of addition. Okay. So 20 plus 16. If 0 is added to any number, answer is that number. So 0 plus 6, answer is 6. And 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1, answer is 3. So answer is 3, 6, 36. Next example is 17 plus 30. 7 plus 0, answer is 7. 1 plus 3, answer is 4. So final answer is 4, 7, 47. Now this is addition without carrying over. There is no need to carry over. Children, in the similar way, you have to solve this example in textbook only. And after solving all this, you can check your answers from here. Now see here, 8 sticks and 4 make 12 sticks. Let us tie 10 of them in a bundle to make one 10. Now here are two places, tens and units. And we have to add two numbers, 8 sticks and 4 sticks. Okay. Here are 8 sticks and here are 4 sticks. So total of them is 12 sticks. Now these 12 sticks, instead of writing all these 12 sticks in a unit place, we make a bundle of 10. So 12 sticks can be divided as 10 plus 2. We make a bundle of 10. And that's why we draw this bundle of 10 in a tens place. It is 1 tens, 2 units. So answer is 12. 12 sticks. Similarly, adding 7 and 8 units make 15 units. Let us make a bundle of 10. In the similar way, 7 plus 8. 7 plus 8, we get 15 units. Okay. Now, these 15 units can be written as 10 units plus 5 units, means we make a bundle of 10. And that bundle we draw in a tens place. It is 1 tens. 1 tens and 5 units is equal to 15. Now, see one question. Add 27 plus 15. We have to add these two numbers. So, keep 5 in your mind, take out your 7 fingers and start forward counting for addition. So 7 plus 5, we get answer 12. Now see here, here is answer 12. There are 2 digits and we can't write 2 digits in a single place. Now this 12 means 12 units can be written as 10 units plus 2 units. Now 10 units means we make a bundle of 10 and 10 units is equal to 1 tens. we make a bundle of 10 units which is equal to 1 tens. So instead of 10 units we can write 1 tens and here 2 units. Now keep this 2 in the units place here, okay, and shift this 1 to the tens place. So this is carrying over 1 which is shifted to the tens place. Now add the numbers in the tens place. 2 plus 1, 3, and 3 plus this carrying over 1, you have to add this 1 also. 3 plus 1, you get answer 4. So answer is 4 to 42. So this is addition by carrying over. Now see, these are examples from your textbook page number 50. Look at the picture, make a problem of addition and solve it. Now here is bundle of 10 means 1 tens 2 units means 12. 1 tens 2 units plus 2 tens 6 units 2 6. Now add these two numbers. We start addition from the units place. So 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Similarly, here 2 tens 5 units. 2 tens 5 units plus 3 tens and 7 units. 3 tens 7 units. Now again start doing addition from the units place. 7 plus 5 is 12. Again we can't write two numbers in a single place. So in 12 write 2 in the units place and 1 is carrying over to the tens place. Now 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Answer is 62. Children, you have to solve these examples in textbook only. Now see one question. Arrange vertically and add. Now this is vertical arrangement of addition. You know how to draw these boxes and how to add the numbers. But this is addition by carrying over. Now first example is 34 and 29. 34 plus 29. Now 9 plus 4 we get 13. So write 3 here. 1 is carrying over to the tens place. Then 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 1 6. Answer is 63. Then next example is 78 and 16. 78 plus 16. 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. So write 4 here. 1 is carrying over to the tens place. Then 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. Answer is 94. Now children, these are the examples from textbook page number 50. Now see first example 36 plus 25. We have to add these two numbers. As per our method, we always start addition from the units place. 6 plus 5. 6 plus 5 we get 11. So write 1 here and another one is carrying over to the tens place. Now add the digits in tens place. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. Answer is 61. Now see the next example. 32 plus 28. Now 2 plus 8 we get 10. So write 0 here. 1 is carrying over to the tens place. Now add the digits in tens place. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. Answer is 60. Children, in the similar way, you have to solve all these examples from maths textbook page number 50. Solve these examples in textbook only, and after solving it, you can check your answers from here. For writing material, I will send you a separate PDF, so you can write from that PDF. So children, today we stop here. In the next period, we will see word problems of addition. Till then, happy learning.